Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will look into the visa-free countries for Kenyan passports. According to the Henley Passport Index, which is a global ranking of countries according to the freedom of travel that these countries' common passports allow their citizens, Kenya currently ranks 69th for the most powerful passports in the world. These are the visa-free countries for Kenyan passport holders in 2024: Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Barbados, Benin, Botswana, British Virgin Islands, Burundi, Cayman Islands, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Cook Islands, Cuba, Djibouti, Dominica, Eritrea, Eswatini, Ethiopia, Fiji, Ghana, Grenada, Haiti, Hong Kong, Jamaica, Kiribati, Lesotho, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Mauritius, Micronesia, Montserrat, Namibia, Niue, Panama, Philippines, Rwanda, Senegal, Singapore, South Africa, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Tanzania, the Gambia, Trinidad and Tobago, Uganda, Vanuatu, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Then there are countries where you can obtain a visa on arrival. Visa on arrival means that travelers must obtain a visa in order to enter the destination country, but it can be obtained upon arrival. Visitors do not need to apply for a travel visa beforehand. Countries where you can obtain a visa on arrival: Bolivia, Burkina Faso, Cambodia, Cape Verde Islands, Comoro Islands, Guinea-Bissau, Indonesia, Iran, Jordan, Laos, Macau, Maldives, Mali, Mauritania, Mozambique, Nepal, Nigeria, Palau, Samoa, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Sudan, Saint Lucia, Sudan, Timor-Leste, Togo, Tuvalu. When you put together the countries where Kenyan passport holders can get a visa when they arrive, and the ones where they don't need a visa at all, they can visit 76 places without needing a visa. It's interesting to know that nowadays, a Kenyan passport is ranked 69th, but it used to be ranked 52nd back in 2006 and 77th in 2021. Remember that the visa-free destinations might change, so always do your research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to let us know by commenting yes. Please also let us know which passport you want us to make a video about next. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.